Hi, and welcome back to Studio 100. I'm Mark Lydon, and today's episode is about business succession planning. There are three main components in a good succession and business continuation plan. One, the governing agreements. That is the shareholder agreement and buy-sell agreement. Sometimes we're coordinating with the estate planning documents as well. But those agreements oftentimes have been put in place 5, 10, 15 years ago and are no longer appropriate for the current ownership, for the current ownership's objectives, for the company and the stock. So those need to be reviewed and restructured. The second component is the valuation. Oftentimes the valuation, the methodology, and the formula are no longer appropriate, no longer relevant to the company's current value and current cash flow. Finally, the life insurance funding. If there is life insurance funding, and there should be in most cases, because there's a tax advantage to life insurance funding, and of course it brings economic certainty. But many times those products have been in place for years and are no longer either the correct amount or the correct type of insurance to meet the objective. So we've developed a 7-step process to succession planning, and I'm happy to provide that to you. Number one is the owners must define the vision for the future of that company and that company stock. 2, they need to identify the successor or successors. 3, they need to plan for contingencies. What happens in the event of a death, a disability, or in the event someone just decides they want to leave. 4th, they need to communicate the plan to others. Who are the others? The spouses, the other shareholders, the families, possibly and most likely some key employees. 5, we want to obtain an updated business valuation. Very important that the agreements and the valuation are all brought up to date. Formalize the plan with the new documentation. Oftentimes we're retooling or putting in place a new agreement and a new structure around the plan. Finally, number 7, we want to fund with life and possibly disability insurance. We want to fund the liabilities that are created by the documentation, by the plan, so that we go out and have appropriate amounts of life insurance and disability insurance to bring certainty to the families of a deceased or disabled shareholder, and bring cushion and financial wherewithal to the surviving shareholders who are going to be obligated to buy those shares from the deceased family. So if you need help in this area, assistance, if we can be help to you or your clients, I hope you'll reach out to us. We'd be glad to come alongside and help put this project together efficiently and effectively. Thank you and have a great day.